This is one of the most imaginative new hotels I've seen in a long time. It's LUX Grand Baie in Mauritius. It opened in 2021. I've no idea what my room number is. I'm looking along past neighbouring rooms, but it's very private. Let's continue into the room. Here's the desk, which has all the necessary business things tucked in the side. I really like Kelly Hoppen's colouring. She's a very clever designer. There really isn't any colour because there doesn't need to be any colour because you've got the colour outside and you've got a bit of colour from my compendium. I'm walking through a dressing area here with a couple of books. Good. Again, in the colour of the whole thing. So simple. Yes, this is absolutely brilliant. It oozes luxury. It's not a lot of space, but they make the most of it. Look at that little tiny pair of scales, but it's big enough to get onto. And everything in the black and white colour scheme. Oh, and the robes. Look at the robes. Now that is absolutely brilliant. Why do we have to have white robes? These are black and white that fit into the colour scheme. Enormous overhead shower, by the way. Here we are at LUX Grand Baie Mauritius.